What feels is not the body of the car or its energy, but rather the driver alone. Likewise, it is the soul that feels by using the body that derives life from the spirit. The withdrawal of the car's energy means its end, not the end of the driver. Likewise, the spirit leaving the body means its death, not the death of the soul. Repairing a car and replacing a damaged part of it is very similar to treating a human and replacing any damaged organ. A jinn riding on a person and using his body is very similar to a thief hijacking a car with its driver and taking control of its driving.